Welcome to another video. In this problem, we want to solve for x, and the first thing we are going to do here is we transfer 4 raised to power x to other side. Then we have 16 raised to the power of x, negative 4 to the power of x, everything equals to 1. Okay, and the next thing is we want to rewrite 16 raised to the power x as the base of 4. Then we are going to have 4 to the power of x, everything raised to the power of 2, and minus 4 to the power of x, everything equals to 1. Okay, there are two things to do here, both will work. It's either we let 4 to the power of x to be any other letter. Suppose I choose m, but I'm not going to do this. So let's do something different as a mathematicians. What I will do here is, if this is 4 to the power of x, everything raised to power of 2, and we have this as negative 4 raised to power of x. Suppose I had the half of, I had the half and I raise everything to the power of 2 to both sides. Okay, so let's see what will be the output of this. Then we have 1 plus 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2. So I added this to both sides. You must know that it will cancel later. And so for this left hand side, if I compress this thing, so the output of this will be 4 raised to the power of x minus 1 divided by 2 all raised to the power of 2. Yeah, so if we try to expand this, you will get what we have in the other line above. Then we are going to have 1 plus, so here becomes 1 divided by 4. And the next thing is, so if this, still write this as 4 to the power of x minus 1 divided by 2, everything raised to the power of 2 equals 2. So why this one becomes 5 divided by 4. And the next thing is, so I will take the square root of both sides to eliminate this square, and we have this result as plus or minus the root of 5 divided by 2. Then by transferring 1 divided by 2, so the negative 1 divided by 2 to the other side, we are going to have 4 to the power of x equals to 1 over 2 plus or minus the root of 5 divided by 2. And looking at this, we are looking for x only, but let's combine this as this. We have 1 plus or minus root of 5, everything divided by 2. And for this, we are going to introduce the logarithm of base 4 to this side just to get the value of x only. So just as simple as that, then we get the value of x. Hereby we have the logarithm of base 4, then 4 to the power of x, everything equals to the logarithm of base 4. Then we create a bracket for this, and we have 1 plus or minus the root of 5 divided by 2. We bracket everything here. And why for this, if x comes down, then we are going to have the logarithm of 4 base 4, everything equals to the logarithm of, we have base 4 of 1 plus or minus, we are going to have, this is 5 divided by 2. And if these two cancel, this is just like the log of the same base, which is equivalent to 1. Then suppose we have the logarithm of a base a, so this is 1. Okay, so by applying it here, we have just 1, and we have x equals to the logarithm of base 4, then bracket 1 plus or minus, so the root of 5 divided by 2. Here is the result for this, and this is how to do it. And if you have a better way of doing this, you can drop it in the comment sections. I will attend to it. Never stop learning. Those who stop learning, stop living. I will see you in the next class. Bye bye.